Hello viewers, welcome to the Standard 10 subject Science. In our previous video, we have started the chapter number 2 Acids, Base and Salt. In this chapter, we have learned about acids and base, and also we have learned the reaction of acids and base by performing lots of activities. Today, in this video, we are going to see the new portion of this chapter, which is salt. We will see the family and pH of salt. In our recent previous video, we have learnt about pH. So today in this video we will learn the family and pH of salt. So let us begin. First of all, family of salt. First of all, write the chemical formula of the salts given as I am saying: potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, and ammonium chloride. First of all, we'll write the chemical formula for that and then identify the acids and base from which the above salts may be obtained. Salts having the same positive or negative radicals are said to belong to a family. For example, NaCl and Na2SO4 belong to the family of sodium salts. Similarly, NaCl and KCl belong to the family of chloride salts. So here we can say that sodium chloride NaCl and Na2SO4 belong to the family of sodium salts, and NaCl and KCl belongs to the chloride salts, the family of chloride salts. Now how many families can you identify from the salts given in this activity? So you have to classify from potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, and ammonium chloride, the family of salt. Now let us perform an activity 2.14 for pH of the salts. For the pH of the salts, collect the sample of salt, sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, aluminum chloride, zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium acetate, sodium carbonate, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Some other salts available can also be taken. So you have the salt, the available salt you can take for this activity. So collect the salt samples, check their solubility in water. Use distilled water, only distilled water. Check the action of this solution on litmus and find the pH using a pH paper. Then we'll find its pH using pH paper and we'll also use litmus. Which of the salts are acidic, basic, or neutral? From this activity, we can identify what are the solutions that we have taken in this activity. Either they are acidic, basic, or neutral. Identify the acid or base used to form the salt. So we have to find the acid and base that produce salt, and then we have to report the observation. Now let us see what are the observation. Salts of a strong acid and a strong base are neutral with pH value of 7. So salts of strong acid and a strong base are neutral with the pH value of 7. Whatever the solution has its pH 7, it is neutral solution. On the other hand, salts of a strong acid and weak base are acidic with pH value less than 7. Salts of strong acid and weak base, so it will be acidic, therefore its pH will be less than 7. And those of a strong base and weak acid are basic in nature with pH value more than 7. Those of a strong base and weak acid, so obviously it will be basic in nature, and it is basic, therefore its pH will be more than 7. So here, whatever the solution has its pH 7, it is neutral solution. Less than 7 pH, it is acidic solution, and more than 7 pH it is basic solution. So these are the observation for this activity. So in this video we have learned about the salt by performing an activity. Hope you have understood very well. Thank you.